What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and in particular welcome back to this mini-series on how to build wealth. In today's video I'm going to be discussing the 6th cure for a lean purse, which is a lesson taken from a book called The Richest Man in Babylon. In the video I'm going to be breaking down this lesson and how you can apply it in your own life with the overarching goal of achieving financial freedom. So getting right to it, we have now covered the first 5 cures for a lean purse, or rather for being broke in today's terms. And they are: number 1, start thy purse to fattening. Number 2, control thy expenditures. Number 3, make thy gold multiply. Number 4, guard thy treasure from loss. Number 5, make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. And today we shall be breaking down number 6. Ensure a future income. So, what is meant by this? Well, as with the rest of the lessons, this one is pretty simple, and Arcad later phrases it: provide in advance for the needs of thy growing age and the protection of thy family. At some point in your life, you have no doubt heard the saying, prevention is better than cure, or the Scout motto, be prepared. Well, this is exactly what Arcad is teaching in this lesson, that each of us should prepare in advance for the day when we can no longer work and yet will still need to provide for ourselves and our families. Now, it can be very easy to put this off as tomorrow's problem, but that is extremely unwise. Life is a crazy thing, and no one knows what's going to happen today, tomorrow, or in a year's time. Yet, even so, the temptation to ignore this rule is really strong, especially if you enjoy your job. You may never want to stop working, thinking that you'll just continue to do it until the day you die. However, this isn't always your choice. What if you get into an accident, which leaves you with injuries that prevent you from working? Or what if you happen to die early, leaving your family or loved ones on their own and unable to provide for themselves? Therefore, abiding by the 6th cure, ensuring a future income, is vitally important. So, how would you go about this? Well, in the book, Arcad suggests buying land or giving your money to the moneylender, who will then lend it out, as moneylenders do, and pay you interest on your money. In today's time, we would call this investing in real estate or the stock market, buying income-generating assets which go up in value over time and can be sold if you are unable to work or in the unfortunate case of your death. However, it's interesting to note that midway through the lesson, Arcad begins to wonder about the future, about some form of financial compensation for a man's family if he happens to die. Now, the book doesn't give a specific name to what Arcad is referring to, but to the best of my understanding, there are 2 forms of financial protection that exist today which I believe Arcad may have been envisioning. The first is what's called an annuity, and it is something that would be used in the case of someone being no longer able to work while still needing to provide for themselves and their family. Now, annuities can be pretty complicated, and so I'm not going to go into too much detail here, as I will save that for another video. However, in its simplest form, an annuity can be understood as you giving a large sum of money to an annuity company. That annuity company will then pay you a set amount of money each month for the rest of your life in order that you may provide for your family and for yourself. The benefit of this is that you now have a guaranteed income for life, regardless of what happens, and this will provide you with an element of safety and security. Now, you should note that there are a few downsides to annuities, but I will cover that in another video. Now, the second form of financial protection, which comes close to what Arcad was envisioning, is life insurance. Naturally, this would be used to protect your family, providing them with an income in the unfortunate case of you kicking the proverbial bucket. It would ensure that even if your spouse could not provide for themselves or your children, they would still be covered by the insurance company and so would not suffer financially. In summary, though real estate and stocks and shares are a very important part of building wealth, utilizing annuities and life insurance to ensure that you have a future income, a secure and stable income to provide for you and your family, regardless of what happens to you, is a vital part of long-term financial freedom. And that is the 6th cure for a lean purse: ensure a future income. Thank you for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, then do be sure to go ahead and give it a like. Videos like this take a lot of time and effort, and so I would really appreciate it. Also, if you would like to join me along my journey from $0 to $1 million, and if you would like to see more content about making money, saving, investing, and building wealth, well then do go ahead and subscribe. I upload videos every Monday and Friday, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one.